Hello, I am Ross McKinnon, President of Applifast Incorporated in Winnipeg. We have been in the fastener industry for the past 33 years. Today, let me take you down memory lane. The McKinnon family business history in Winnipeg goes back to the early 1900s. My grandfather Hugh started as a teenager in the food service industry. In 1906, he purchased crates of tea and blended and repackaged tea in 1-pound bags. He sold these to grocery stores using a bicycle as his mode of transport. In 1914, Hugh started blending and roasting Melrose coffee in a 4-story building on Water Avenue. This is where the Winnipeg Goldeyes baseball park is now located. H.L. McKinnon Company was the first distributor of Fanta soft drinks in Manitoba. Hugh loved to travel in the north, and he was a distributor of the Hudson Bay blankets. Melrose Foods marketed a full line of coffee, tea, hot chocolate, drink crystals, soup bases, pie fillings, jelly powders, spices and extracts, baking powder, and other products essential to the food services industry. My father Howard took over the business in the early 60s. In 1966, Melrose Foods was sold to Standard Brands and is now part of Kraft Foods. Howard retained the peanut roasting and packaging side of the business and later purchased C&J Jones Company in Winnipeg. This provided the equipment to manufacture Golden Nut peanut butter. We moved to a large 1-story building on Sanford Street near the airport. The new company, Jones Pack, also roasted, salted, and packaged Billy Boy sunflower seeds and did custom roasting and packaging of mixed nuts for the holiday season. Jones Pack was sold in the late 70s to Lyle Silverman, a local Winnipeg businessman. My father Howard died suddenly in 1987 of a massive brain hemorrhage at the age of 62. We had bought and sold a few businesses through the 80s, and I was then employed by my father-in-law, Don Logan, at Applifast around 1988. In 1997, Don decided to retire. So, with my 5 sons, we purchased the Tool and Fastener Division of Applifast in Winnipeg, along with our current property in the Murray Industrial Park. The business name was changed to Applifast Incorporated, and we have steadily grown the business in the last 24 years. This family business remains, with the 4th generation now being employed at Applifast. We have acquired the top major brands of fasteners and installation tooling in the industry and supply a full range of related accessories in abrasives, cutters, lubricants, brooms, anti-fatigue matting, industrial skincare products, and more. We are committed through many years of product knowledge and experience to provide you the best service available in Canada. Thank you for putting your trust in Applifast.